been too wet to really do anything today. It's absolutely chucking it down. Just thought I'd show you the drainage is all working. You see that's the water flowing out of the soakaway. See, that's it there. That's all the water collecting under the foundations and flowing out. So that's all working good. Pleased to see that. Right, apologies for the noise and the wind. We got flash flooding here. You see there's a lot of water coming past, and that's caused some problems for the workshop, where there's a big pile of earth on the downslope not allowing the water to get away. The drainage for the workshop's working fine, but it's just getting overwhelmed because all of the water's going back into it from outside. So yeah, look, water's pouring out of the drainage. That's the soakaway. That's working fine, but you go up here, sorry for the wind. This area here, those bags are all sitting in water. So, wow, sorry, I've got 60-mile-an-hour winds here. So I'm going to get a shovel, dig a channel through there, and hopefully it'll drain away a bit better. So, well, there's not going to be any progress done on this week, I don't think. We're just like all flooded here. Me and Dot just dug a channel, drainage channel along here. So now all the water's left, the bags aren't sitting in water now. It was getting backed up there. It's draining away now. Sorry about the wind. Yeah. No video this week for progress on this, I'm afraid. But yeah, the workshop drainage is working. It's just that all of that is in the way of it flowing off down the hill like it's supposed to. So for now, we'll just dig some drainage ditches. Look at this. This is just mad. Could do with a few more nozzles on the old hydro, because that is ridiculous. Just going to go out and see if the drainage is working on the workshop. Look at that. Flash flooding basically is what we got here. It's just done this today. Well, it actually went from like normal flow to this in about 10 minutes really. Picked up. I mean, it's mad. I haven't seen it like this before. Right, let's go and check out the drainage we put in the workshop. Yeah, it's working. It's draining away. That's good. We've got no water. Before, the bags were actually under the water was coming up the foundation and not able to drain away. But it's leaving there now. Going down there, that's good. Okay, that's good news. Happy with that. A lot of water's flowing down into here. See, it goes down there and then drains through and then follows down and goes out into the soakaway, but that's fine, that's what it's designed to do. That's good. Okay, let's go and check the hydroelectric. So just walking up to the hydroelectric intake. See what's going on up here. I know there's going to be a lot of water up here, that's for sure. There's the standpipe. A lot of water. This is where we got the tree for the entranceway from the other day. And the can't even see the intake. How about that? I reckon I need a few more nozzles. I don't know if you can see on camera, but that is well in excess of 100 litres a second. That huge amount of water. Oh, we got a that's new. That's just happened. That's on its way down for sure. Yeah, extreme weather here on the Homestead. Anyway, I thought you guys might like to see it. Yeah, so I'm gonna make sure the stream's all clear, make sure I don't get water coming down bypass the house, and then go back to the shed, I think, and have a nice quiet day. Just thought I'd quickly walk up and check on the solar shower. I put some brackets in it the other day to hold it down to the stone. Yeah, it's got some water in it. Not surprised. Not surprised at all. Not bad though, all things considered. Yeah, not too bad at all actually. Yeah. Okay, I was expecting worse than that. Gonna have some drainage stone in the bottom of here anyway for these events. Yeah. Crazy weather, I haven't seen it like this, especially not this time of year. Anyway, let's get back down to the shed and work on the harp. So you're probably all thinking, worrying about the house. The house is fine. You can see, the house is doing great. And there's a sleepy dot in there. It's quite a nice shot, isn't it? Yeah, the water's running around the side. Dot's having a nap. I just come out to record this. I'm going back into the shed, work on the harp. Yeah. House is fine. Water getting backed up a bit, but it's flowing around the house and around the side, no problem. We're not going to get flooded because we're on a slope, so no problem. No problem. The house at all. It's all doing fine. But however, I am getting absolutely soaked, so I'm going to go back inside. Well, I'm in the shed. It's definitely a shed day because it is absolutely hammering it down. Look at there. Picked up a load of oil the other day for the van. Still running it on veg oil, by the way. Running great. Done about 5,000 miles on it. Working good still. That's all sitting there waiting to be filtered. But yeah, absolutely chucking it down. Can't do anything. Just got the whole thing all covered up. Just having a shed day. Dot's in the house playing the harp. I'm out in the shed working on the harp that I've been working on. Been building this harp here for a while. See, it's coming along. There's part of it there. I'll be doing a full video of it, but it's just a little sneak peek, I suppose. That's the sound box which we're working on, so just gluing that on there now. So yeah, that's something to look at. I thought I'd just do a few little short clips, you know, and get a video out for you lot, just so you know what's going on. See, we've got a hydroelectric coming in. What we got? 295 watts coming in. So hydro's all working good. Happy with that. Batteries are good. I've got drawing quite a bit of power. I've got hot water on, and the lights out here and the lights in the house and that, and it's still at 26.1 volts, so that's all good. Yeah, we put in that drainage channel out there because the water was coming up to the level of the bags because it couldn't drain off on where that pile is over there. So we've dug a ditch now, and that's all draining off, so that's good. And the drainage for the actual building itself is working good. It's all the soakaways all working good. It's just a massive amount of water coming down at the minute, and it's all getting overwhelmed because the building's not there protecting it. Once the building's there and all that earth's out of the way, most of that water will just run off down the hill naturally. But at the minute, it's all going back into the building, having to come down through the drainage stone. But I'm happy with it. It's all working. Anyway, weather's predicted to be like this now for a while. You see, it's absolutely chucking it down. So it's considered, you know, it's meant to be like this for most of the week, I think. Absolutely chucking it down, so I don't think we're going to get anything done on that now. I don't know, if it brightens up and, you know, the weather changes, I get back to it, fill more bags. If not, it might have to just get covered up for the winter. Because for those of you who haven't seen it, you know, one day, sorry about the mess in here, I've been busy in here working, but one day it's all going to look like that. Yeah, so we'll get back to it as soon as we can, but we're just a bit stuck with the weather at the minute. So that was just really a little update, to be honest, about what's going on. Might do some firewood if it stops raining tomorrow. The soil's going to be too wet to do anything, you know, for a while, because it's just absolutely saturated at the minute. But I might do some firewood or something tomorrow if it calms down a bit, but we'll see. So I just thought I'd do that, just get a video out this week, let everyone know what's going on. So yeah, stay tuned. This is sort of, yeah, maybe a couple of days away from being done. So that video will be coming out shortly. It should be a nice video. Whole process of me building a harp and learning how to do it, which will be cool. So yeah, anyway, so that's all that's going to be this week, I'm afraid. So hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for watching.